This is my hot tub. It's that little silver thing there. That's a pop-up LCD TV, and it sprung a leak. And this is the thing I had to replace. It went like this, and then this piece was on there, and this hose was hooked. As you can see, that piece was cracked and busted. And a little gal at Lowe's Hardware, I showed her a picture of this, and she helped me round this up to make this contraption do away with all this BS and stop my leak. So far, no more leaks. You can see it leaked a lot of water when Billy tried to fill it up. So we're in the process of getting her going. And I got Izzy her doggy door. She's already gotten used to using it, and that's her bad girl cage. But anyway, all looking good.